Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on creating a YouTube thumbnail generator with Node.js and the DALL-E API. Thumbnails are an important part of your YouTube videos as they provide viewers with a visual representation of what your video is about. But creating thumbnails can be a time-consuming task. That's why we'll be using Node.js and the DALL-E API to create a tool that can generate thumbnails automatically. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is set up a new Node project. Open up your terminal and create a new folder for your project. Navigate to that folder and run the following command. This command will prompt you with a series of questions about your project. You can fill these in with your own information or use the default values. Once you've completed the setup, you'll have a new package JSON file in your folder. Now, let's install the necessary packages for our project. Run the following command in your terminal. These packages will help us create a web server, make API requests to the DALL-E API, and manage environment variables respectively. Now that we have our project set up, let's explore the DALL-E API. DALL-E is an AI model created by OpenAI that can generate images based on textual descriptions. To use the API, we need an API key, which you can get from the OpenAI website. Once you have your API key, create a new file in your project folder called env in this file. Add the following line, replacing your actual API key with your actual API key. This file will allow us to manage our environment variables securely. Now that we have our API key set up, let's write some code to use the DALL-E API to generate images. Create a new file in your project folder called DALLE.js. In this file, add the following code. This code defines a function called generateImage that takes a textual description as input and returns a URL to the generated image. We're using the Axios package to make a post request to the DALL-E API. The model parameter specifies which DALL-E model to use. In this case, we're using image alpha 1. The prompt parameter is the textual description that we want to generate an image for. The API key parameter is the API key that we set up earlier. Finally, the enumd images parameter specifies how many images we want to generate. In this case, we only want one. Now that we have our generateImage function set up, let's create a YouTube thumbnail generator that uses it. Create a new file in your project folder called appjx. In this file, add the following code. This code creates an Express app that listens on port 3000 or the port environment variable if set. We're using the Express package to create a web server, and we're using the generateImage function from our DALLE.js file to generate the image based on a user provided description. And there you have it. We've created a YouTube thumbnail generator using Node.js and the DALL-E API. With this tool, you can automatically generate thumbnails for your YouTube videos based on textual descriptions. This can save you a lot of time and effort in creating eye-catching thumbnails for your videos. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and happy coding!